Pagod ka na ba sa pagiging empleyado at gusto mo na talagang kumita at magkaroon ng tinatawag na time and financial freedom? Kung yan ang na-experience mo, hindi ka nag-iisa. Alam mo, iniisip mo talaga on how you can own time, the same time you can work from home and earn from home. Ay nako, freelance is for you. Alam mo, imagine this, no, na magkakaroon ka na ng bigger income na kasama mo pa ang iyong mahal mo sa buhay. At hindi lang yan, no? You can choose already where you want to eat, where you want to live, at the same time kung ano yung lifestyle na gusto mo. At the same time, you can control your income at schedule at the same time. Kung gusto mo matutunan, then good news. I'm going to have a event. It's called the income multiplier method. Because of this method, I was able to create 12 sources of income. So I want to share this session to you absolutely for free. Heard it right, free po to. But is only limited for 500 seats lang po. Sa webinar na ito, matutunan nyo kung paano mag-transition from an employee to a freelancer at magkaroon ka ng reliable income stream. At tuturo ko rin po sa inyo yung 8 simple strategies na paano ka magkakaroon ng, again, residual income, active income, passive income, yung sinasabi ko sa yung mga income sources. At pwede ka mag-build ng side hustle without resigning from your job. Not only that, hindi pa tayo nagtatapos. Pag kayo po nag-upgrade po sa VIP, okay? Sa VIP status, alam nyo mangyayari po niyan, may makakasama pa rin po tayo isang special, okay, na isang coach ng pangalan niya si Coach Mommy MK. Dito matunan natin ang techniques kung paano niya pinalaki ang kanyang work from home opportunities or freelancing. So at the same time, last but not the least, pag nag-upgrade din po kayo, makakasama na rin kayo sa group coaching session after the session na ako po ang magpa-facilitate. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? This is your chance to gain your freedom at the same time to add additional income without leaving your job. So if you want to be part of this, just type Go Ako to sign up right now or just click the link below. See you there.